You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase that, yes, I know, has a lot of people confused, but we'll clarify it. If you want to learn more names of confusing dishes, foods, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. Yes, it's pronounced trout. Trout, that's the fish. Roe, which is the eggs essentially, from the trout, or the caviar. Trout, roe, caviar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.